Top tips for a less toxic home. Make your own cleaning product or buy non-toxic products. So what do you really need for your own cleaning products? You need a spray bottle, baking soda, vinegar, water, a dishwashing liquid, and a few others I'll list out at the side here. Number 2 is to ventilate your home. So open your windows, use ceiling fans, use a cooking hob, and these things are important because you get carbon monoxide from cooking fumes. If you've got the windows closed while you're cooking, you're actually increasing the amount of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide in your indoor environment. And the other thing is, you may not realize it, but our furniture, so for example, our sofa, any pressed wood, paint, flooring, all of these can release VOCs, or they're known as volatile organic compounds, which are really bad for your health. And your home is constantly emitting these sort of vapors into the air in your indoor environment. So please open your windows, please use a fan, and keep your home well ventilated and fresh. So using a normal candle with paraffin wax and keeping your windows closed, not really a good idea because the fumes are not really the best for you. This is the same with burning incense indoors. If you've got the window open, that's fine, but if your windows are closed, then please take note that you are polluting your indoor environment. So I would suggest, if you love your candles, which I love my candles too, go for cleaner burning alternatives such as a soy candle. If you do have your other candles and you want to burn them, you don't want to waste them, go right ahead, but just keep your windows open. So that's something to keep an eye out for. The other thing is, please, please, please do not use aerosol air fresheners, mothballs, any of those kind of artificially fragrance aerosols, because again, they release these volatile organic compounds into your home and they're not they're not good for you, so don't inhale them and don't bring them into your life. Just get rid of them or finish off your bottle and then don't ever buy one again. Tip number 4 is to cut down on your plastic. So we've heard this time and time again, but plastic water bottles leak BPA or bisphenol A into your water. Even if you get a plastic bottle that is BPA free, that doesn't mean you still don't have your other bisphenols. Other bisphenols include BPS and BPF, and these are sometimes not listed in your bottles. So switch to glass, switch to metal or steel. Just avoid drinking your water from plastic bottles. If you do use the microwave, make sure you're microwaving in a glass container and store all your food in glass containers as much as possible. So reduce the plastic in your life because the environment will thank you and your body will thank you as well. This is probably a no-brainer, but indoor plants, having real indoor plants, are nature's natural air purifiers. They're gonna absorb any carbon dioxide indoors and they're gonna release oxygen, at least during the day. But plants are fantastic purifiers. They purify the air in your home, and if you've got green fingers, get lots of plants, and if you don't, then there are loads of resources out there nowadays to help you care for your plant. So I would highly suggest getting as many plants as you can in your indoor environment to purify your home. So yeah, so these are some very easy, simple, I would say mostly common sense tips on how to improve the indoor air quality in your home and generally how to make your home less toxic. And I would love to hear what other tips you may have, because this is quite a short list. So please add them in the comments below. And if you enjoy my content, then please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when new content comes out. So enjoy your day and see you next time. Bye.